Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I have partnered with Campus Corp Brands to bring a junk journal online workshop with the following papers that I have here in front of me. So I thought I would flip through the papers so you can kind of get an idea of what the elements are that are going into this junk journal kit. Once you're done with this, make sure you go to Campus Corp Brands to the shop. The link will be in the description box to check this out. There will be an online workshop as well as a physical workshop scheduled every so often in Springdale, Arkansas. So right off the bat, on the very top that I want to share with you is there is a little booklet of stickers and papers and whatnot. This is from Seven Gypsies Architectures. This one is called Enjoy. So if we open this up here, you're going to see that even the cover has images that you can use. And then we've got stickers on this page. Stickers again for the next page. This is just a piece of ephemera that you can tear out. You can use this side or you can cut it up and use the other side. These are alphabet and number stickers. Larger alphabet here. Here's some more there. And then the sticker, these are not stickers, these are just letters, but you can use the back side as well. And then here's some more little cards that you can use. Or you can choose to use the other side. Here's some more little cards that have like a fairy and butterfly and a crown. And then here is the other side. And then this is a piece of fabric that is sticky on the back side. So you can rip this off. It's kind of a fabric feel on here, so it's got some neat texture on it. And then the last page is some more ephemera that you can trim out as well. So that's inside this kit. We've got some jute, or I don't know if it's jute or cord is what it's called, or rope. But there's 2 yards of that. There is a piece of lace inside the kit. And then there's various pieces of scraps of paper. These are all little journaling cards that can be used in the kit. Here's some larger ones as well. And these may vary from kit to kit. It kind of depends upon what's available in stock. Here's a postcard. Here's some craft paper. This is some cardstock that is cut in a 5x7 size, but you could cut the corners and this could become a tag. There are some bookmarks. This one is chalkboard paper, so you can write on that with chalk. Here's a little paper bag, small envelope, a larger manila envelope. Here's a square envelope. This is packaging that they no longer offer this particular product, but I thought the color of it was interesting. Again, I picked out all of these elements. Some of these are custom made for this journal. For example, this 8x8 page was custom made just for this journal kit. Here's another piece of packaging of something they no longer offer, but I just like the way that looked. This is some ledger paper. Lined paper, another piece of packaging, and I just like the images that were on here. This is another custom printed paper that has this beautiful rose and butterfly, and it's on watercolor paper that you can paint upon, and then the other side has lines for journaling. This is fluted cardboard, so it has some neat texture to it. This is screen printed canvas that's in the kit. Here is some tissue that's in the kit. Here's one of the mixed media origins. So again, this is a paper that's like fabric in the feel of it. It takes water and media very well so it doesn't ball up. That's one side. And here's the other. This is another one of the pages. This is the black check flower on white from Canvas Corp Brands, and it is white on the back. And then here is a large black and white stripe, blank on the other side. And then inside this kit, that you can only get through this kit, is this plastic piece that has flocking on it that can be colored. Well, I wanted to share this with you. If you're interested in that, check out the description box for the link. If you are a designer or you want to create a tutorial using this kit, then purchase the kit, create the tutorial, and then you'll submit it to Canvas Corp Brands, and I believe they're going to have a gift certificate for you. I don't know how much yet. That's just something we've been talking about. So if you buy this kit, watch my tutorial, and then you turn around and decide to make it a completely different way with a tutorial, definitely check that out and give it to Canvas Corp Brands. I hope you enjoyed seeing just a little snippet of what can be available in the kit, and this will be one of many that'll come in the future. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a fabulous day. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.